back to my channel. So today I went to Home Depot. I did record some of it and I'm gonna footage after I show you what I bought. I didn't speak because there's a lot of fans blowing and just a lot of noise in the background. Just wanted to show you what I found, sharing with you what I bought. So let's go ahead and look at this beauty. I've always loved these. There's so many different colors of them. I just am worried because I tend to forget to water my plants that need frequent watering. So I'm hoping that I'll do well with this one, only because I'm going to put it in the back underneath the mango tree, because this is part sun and part shade. So I think I'll do very well there, and then I'll remember probably most likely to water it more often than not. Today's raining here today. It just started raining now, so I'm just going to hurry up and finish this. And I found some unique looking succulents, the 5 for 10, and these plants, let me see, even this one, no, I don't know who is this one by. It doesn't say who is this one by, the company that grew it. It doesn't say. Let's see. Yep, it is Beauty Farms. So I don't know, that one says Beauty Farms, but this one's definitely Costa Farm. And lately I've been finding some unique baby plants for Costa Farms, the 5 for 10. So I found this one, and I don't have it right here. Super cute. It's called Echeveria. Would you say Lowy? You pronounce Lowy? That's super cute. And then this one, it's a Echeveria agavoides, but it has this name also called molded wax. I googled it, so it's also called, like, I guess it's related to the agave as well. That's what I was able to find on that. So this was pretty cool looking, and it does have some pretty cool coloring. I'm sure that with more sun, it would definitely have more red in it, so I'm excited about that. And then this one that I don't have is called the Coopery Gray. So that was pretty cool to find those there. I was so excited to see those. Kudos to Costa Farm for bringing those. And that's it, guys. And now it's raining on me, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the footage that I did at Home Depot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.